Okay, hello. Yes. We're live. Do I have my desk is too high. That's better. No. I don't. It's working. So why? Okay. That was strange. Let's plan a few stuff. So let's do a start and it'll be tiny. Blazor. Admin. Voila.
Bonjour, hi.
Hey, Tech de Limite. Comment ça va? Okay, let's see if that works. Wonderful. Since I only have an hour, let's start the stream right away. And I will try my multiple action button. Does it work? Ah, I understand now. I understand why it's not working. The path of the animation changed. That's why. Bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream, everybody. I'm Frank Boucher, I'm a Microsoft Cloud advocate, and this is my playground. This is the cloud, this is where we have fun, we try different things. I should go here instead. This is the cloud. Now it makes sense, the cloud thing, though my team is broken. I need to fix a bunch of stuff. I reinstalled my PC from scratch and decided to change, move things, restructure, so a few images and stuff are not where they used to be. So yeah, I need to spend time, and anyway I want to change all the look of that, make it more, you know, less 2020 more 2021. Oh, cool, the reminder is working. And the reminder reminds me that I need to tell you that today it's only 60 minutes. I have a very important meeting I want to attend to. So, in fact, now it's 50 minutes. The plan of today, Jason is not joining us today because he's part of also of that meeting. So he will be focusing on getting ready for that thing. And that's it. So today I won't be working on the JavaScript game, though I'm preparing something super cool for you on that, late coming next week or the week after, depends. So today I thought we'll be working on the Blazor. Try to the tiny Blazor admin website, this project. Like I updated my stuff and now I have errors, so I need to understand what's happening and make it works. So that's the plan of today. In 50 minutes, do you think we can do it? Not sure, but maybe all together. I should try to bring someone from SyncFusion on the show. That could be cool, right? And try to like build some quick stuff. That could be interesting. Well, yeah, so that's the plan of today. CB is present, or should be. Yes, he is. If you're new here, you can play some game by doing drops, and you try to land on the little target over there. And CB, the chatbot, will accumulate your statistic, and yeah, just for fun. Tag the limit, the target is over there. So yeah, so let's get started. Boom. Okay, oh yeah, I never try to see if those... Cool, it's working. Yeah. So if you want to know all the commands available, you could do command, cmd, commands, or just command. If you want to know the referral, the tool I'm using, GitKraken, I love GitKraken. I will have a giveaway again this month, a pro license of GitKraken. More detail on that because I just don't know how to do the giveaway right now. I need to find an interesting way, so like it's not like someone who's not interested. I want someone who's interested to use it, to have it, and not just like someone who was lucky. So yeah, so we're working on the tiny Blazor admin. Do we have a board? Yes, we are in the board. So like we want to use not the data grid, but the chart is something that was working and now like it's broken, and I'm assuming it's just because I update the version. And see, now I have this error where I say it's confused. In the doc earlier, I was I need to go full screen, Frank. And that's a big me. That could be smaller. So when I googled that error, it was saying I need a page startup. But I don't have a page startup in my project. I wonder, is it the new thing? I feel like the startup is when you run a server side, but I'm on the I'm client side. I should stop that reminder. Reminder. I think it's, I forgot what it is to stop it. Let's try this. Yeah, so I don't understand. Oh yeah, I see. Because I don't think I have a startup class when I'm on client side. Even if they say server and client exception. Maybe I should roll back a little. Take a less advanced version. What do you think? Maybe I should. Because I want to have some fun. Maybe I don't go. Let's go nougat. 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 How do you say nougat? Do you say nougat? Nougat? Nugget? SyncFusion. I want to see Blazor, and I want to see after that charts. So Blazor, it's now 18.433. Was it what I used? Oh, could it be that? But does that problem just appear when I had the key this morning, so maybe it was that. Let's try without the key. Yeah, key is still okay, I didn't know that. That's cool. You're using it, SamUK? Are you from SyncFusion by any chance? Or you're just using it? I think it was you who suggested me to use that great components. So 1833. I wanted to check 18.4. Yeah, okay, so that's the one I'm using right now. If I go the version before 10 days ago, $430. Still have the same error. Damn it. Also, like, how do I remove again? Reminder stop. That's what I did, right? Ah, I was no. Apparently my reminder stop test. Maybe I need to go because I didn't have that issue before. Okay, I just give it a try. So is it? So that's also Blazor, charts. Should be right. Grid. Oh no, it's not there. It's not there. It's grid. Oh no, charts. It's there. So 053. Oh, is it a new thing? So it started at 30. Is it the thing? I didn't have this problem before. Okay, so now they have them separated. Okay, so that's new because it was not there. I didn't have that issue before. Okay, So, now I just wonder, did I... Statistics Razor. Let's try to see if it's working. Last time it didn't work, so I need though to start my Azure function, my node, stream tool. Yeah, it's that one. It's a great question, tête d'ampoule. I don't know why I say tête d'allumette since the beginning. So tête d'ampoule, Surely Dev has many different accounts. So they are different users. So all those bots are real Twitch users. So you have all those accounts. So that's why you can manage to drop tons of them. And apparently my stop reminder command doesn't work because the bot still... See, like instead of having my name typing in the chat, I could have a special account for my bot. Say, hey, like, you know, blah, 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 blah. The fact that I'm doing it this way, the advantages for me is I don't have too much security. But yeah, use a bot army. So that, yeah, that's why. So if you create in Twitch another name, let's say Tête d'Allumette, so now I could, you know, call you, that's not true, then like you could use those two users. And that's how he manage. He doesn't manage to avoid the 30-second, but I understand that it gives you that impression. So yeah, the reminder remind me that the stream is short today because I have an important meeting to attend. So only 35 minutes left, and I really hope I will be able to have a demo running by then. So this is the project for the Azure functions. I will run the Azure function locally. Voila, so see now it's running localhost 7071. So move that in the other screen, minimize it, and now let's double check in the settings, app settings. Cool, we are using that page. So yeah, let's see if that works. Okay, so if we go here, we should have a bunch of URLs. Excellent. We don't care about this. Huh. Okay, so at least now we don't have the error, but we have nothing. So we need to find why it didn't work, but at least we lost the error. At the last stream, I was having like an error. I'm assuming it was something. Oh, that's why it was like it was saying I didn't know the chart because now they are in separate DLL maybe. Let us keep Tête d'Allumette then. Tête d'Allumette is a brewery that make an excellent beer in the La Pocatière, in the région La Pocatière in Quebec. Okay, so I have nothing. I should have a bunch of data. So let's have a look again. So I'm getting this. So I'm getting the list here, then I just do the mapping, right, to temp, and now I do temp this to click history. Uninitialize. Is it ever called? Maybe it's never called. Why I don't have my breakpoints? Oh, because it's not working. How did this? Let's. So let's uncomment this. Copper Birdie is in the house. Hello, my friend. Happy New Year. Happy to see you. How are you? You have it now. I think you could do knock as a command. Knock, knock, knock. But the other one is way longer. Nice to see you, my friend. How are you? Oh, were you sick? I hope nothing. But if I do that, then it will complain that, yeah, this, and if I do this, it will complain that it's not an override. Must be it. Yeah. What? Yeah, I hate a tin soup. That was too. Ugh! Come on, dude! And it was good? The taste? 2 years! Oh, like, you know, was it just like 2019? And like you were 2021? So it's calendar 2 years, but yeah, still, it's 2 years. So you didn't notice any, didn't taste any different. Whoa, okay, well, I'm glad you're better. So let's try again. I don't know why the debug didn't jump in previously. So why I'm not debugging? Okay. Now listening on blah blah blah, listening on blah blah blah. So it never goes here? Unbound breakpoint. Yeah, let's try. So if let's keep that one on the side here. Where is the other one? Okay. So here. So if I do this, see, now it's called. If I go back here, so it's called, but somehow the assignment or something is not correct. Okay, so at least we're fetching the data and we're not crashing. So I think it's a progress, right? Oh, should I update the to-dos? So what was the to-do? Was build and okay. So I think we can update the to-do. Done 2 and to do start 3. So something is happening here that doesn't do anything. Did you stream? Also, you didn't stream this week because you were sick. Because I did try to see all my fringe. It's not true. Not all of them. I'm trying every day to say, okay, let's take a time and look who's streaming to make sure I go on their stream and say hello. I didn't see you streaming. I'm assuming because you were sick. Now it makes all sense. I just realized I didn't see you streaming. So it's fetching the data, but so I could uncomment this here to see what's happening. Yeah, stream. Why you put those images in my head? That's not nice to you. I'm sorry, I'm keep looking at my clock. I don't want to be late for that meeting. My team and I have a big project, and today's kind of the brainstorm to see if we are moving forward or not. So X value, Y value. Okay, so let's then here, let's add my trace. Right, click history. Yeah, data source, click history, data source, click history. Click history is here. Maybe I need to do the state has changed again. Don't think that is required, but since it's not working, and I don't know why now at the debug thing is not working anymore. I need to understand that too, but since I didn't look anywhere. Okay, so we have look at that. Ah, my sound are not present. Yay! Yay! Awesome. At least CB still knows his thing. So we have a chart. We have a chart. Okay, so the thing missing was this. So control this. this. I don't like why you do that. Like I prefer when it was something like this. Will do bar will be better? What do you think? I think line was cool. Loading. Oh. Let's try bar. It's cool. It's working. Yeah. Oops, it's not what I was expecting. Maybe the line was better. Like it's definitely in the other sense, the other. Oh, I keep just crashing it. I need to candles, buck and whispers, range, stack line. Let's go back at line for now. Can we make the line a little bit bigger? Let's put 5. That's a little bit big, eh? So now I have the date and exactly. I wonder here if I could put the date in angle. Why you do that? So what it was before, it was 2. Let's continue with 2. X axis was here. Interval day, edge placement, specify the position of the label at the edge of the axis. They are none, no action, hide, edge of the shift. So now I'm using shift, I don't know what it is. Okay, so let's explore the feature a little bit. Appearance, chart, date axis. Also, that's cool. So like just I could do by month. No, like I want by day, right? Or maybe it could be dynamic. So like if you have just a few day, then interval. Although if maybe if I don't specify the interval, maybe it will make a little bit more sense. And since you can what? Is there a different type? Oh. Daytime category. Because that could be, like, it's definitely better. Let's put some. The range for an axis will be calculated based off the data provided. You can customize it with maximum and or interval. Okay, so if I don't say anything, it will be calculated. And okay, what? Apply padding to the range. Padding can be applied minimum, maximum, extreme. Okay. Date round. No. Or maybe I won't. Tooltip. Date label. Oh, maybe it's the date label I want to see. Okay, let's try again just to see the fact now that I remove the interval, see if it looks better. So it look better. I wish I had like at least a starting point. But like I can check any dates I want. Right? And of course I could put some filter, like a little form with filters, so you could say, oh, like I want to see just those two dates or between, something like that. So that's cool. I like that. What's the label kind of thing? Oh, that's cool though. Data label in Blazor. Is it really? I think that it's more clean, right? What do you think? Is it really 5 the best I had? If I look here by day for 29. Yeah, I should have 92 here. So one date is missing. 0519. Look like there's something not working, though the chart maybe because here in my x-axis I put some minimum and maximum. Frank. Let's not specify the padding for now. Tooltip could be formatted, but for now I'm fine with it. Come on. See, so now I have like and then so now I see at least, so like now if I had some dynamic stuff, I could say, okay, you know what? Now I'm at, like, I understand it's 92, but that was like an exception. It was the day I did the talk or released that video and something like that. And then after, like, okay, it's some scribbly. So now I could be interesting to add some feature. Could definitely have a title and all those stuff. And instead of some data, have the information. So now I need to dynamically change the information I have. So when I do all that, I need to, when I go to that page, I need to pass some parameter to customize it. Can we add some filters? Mix chart. Oh, that's cool. Right now I don't have. Oh yeah, but if I want to compare, that could be cool. Legend, tooltips, zooming. That's nice. Data editing. Nah, I don't want to edit. Selection, maybe. Oh, that's cool. They have like a area could be cool. Now what I would like is to be able to add some filter. How much time do I have? I don't have a lot of time today. Oh, there's even the Kanban thing. That's pretty cool. Well, today at least we had a chart. I'm pretty happy about that. So, that was a very productive 60-minute. I'm sorry, it's very short today. What's the score? If anybody land today? I don't think so, huh? Well, last chance. Let's give it a try. Look like I will be landing. Maybe not. Oh yeah, I will. Excellent. Excellent. So, who's streaming today? Yay! Hey, Jason, how are you? Yeah, live coders. I need to see if anybody's streaming or raid. Marco, patch code. Oh, learning Python. That's cool. And what Marco is doing? Oh, that's not in English. So since I'm assuming you're mostly English speaking, so let's go see her. I don't know her, so that would be cool. So thank you all, cloudies. Oh, I need to stop the stats to generate my notes. I'm not sure it generates stuff. Well, thank you, Copper Birdie, for the thanks. Thank you all. Have a good weekend. I know it was a short stream, but I think we did great. I'm very happy, and now we'll be able to add some real feature inside that tool to have statistics in the URL shortener, and that's pretty cool. So have a good weekend and see you Wednesday. Bye bye. And let's go step.